Welcome to Sri Lanka, often called the Pearl of the Indian Ocean. This tiny island nation is a world of wonders packed into one destination. From ancient kingdoms and sacred temples to golden beaches, lush tea plantations, and wildlife-filled jungles, Sri Lanka truly has it all. In today's video, we'll explore the 15 most beautiful and best tourist attractions in Sri Lanka, each one offering a unique glimpse into this enchanting land. Whether you're dreaming of history, culture, nature, or just relaxation by the ocean, Sri Lanka is ready to take your breath away. So, let's begin our journey through this island paradise. Sigiriya Rock Fortress. Known as the Lion Rock. 5th century royal citadel built by King Kashyapa. Giant lion paws mark the entrance to the summit. Stunning frescoes, the mirror wall, and panoramic views at the top. Travel tip: best climbed at sunrise or sunset to avoid the heat. Dambulla Cave Temple. A UNESCO World Heritage Site. Largest and best preserved cave temple complex in Sri Lanka. Over 150 Buddha statues, colorful murals covering cave ceilings. Still an active place of worship. Spiritual and peaceful atmosphere. Anuradhapura. Ancient capital, dating back over 2,000 years. Home to the Sri Maha Bodhi tree, the oldest recorded tree in history. Magnificent stupas like Ruwanwelisaya and Jetavanaramaya. A sacred city for Buddhists worldwide. Polonnaruwa. Sri Lanka's medieval capital. Beautifully preserved ruins, palaces, temples, and monasteries. Famous Gal Vihara statues, giant Buddhas carved into granite. Feels like walking through an open-air museum. Temple of the Sacred Tooth Relic, Kandy. Holds the most sacred Buddhist relic, a tooth of the Buddha. UNESCO World Heritage Site. Cultural heart of Sri Lanka. Famous Asala Perahera Festival. Elephants, dancers, and drummers. Nuwara Eliya. Known as Little England. Colonial charm with bungalows, gardens, and a cool climate. Surrounded by lush tea plantations. Gregory Lake for boating. Hikkaduwa Gardens for flowers. Scenic train ride from Kandy. Considered one of the most beautiful in the world. Horton Plains and World's End. A misty plateau 2,000 meters above sea level. Grasslands, waterfalls, and rare wildlife. The highlight: World's End Cliff. A sheer drop with incredible views. Best visited at sunrise before clouds roll in. Yala and Nine Arches Bridge. A hill country gem. Surrounded by tea fields, waterfalls, and hiking trails. Nine Arches Bridge, an iconic railway viaduct where trains pass through lush jungle. Hike to Little Adams Peak for panoramic views. Adams Peak, Sri Lanka. Sacred to Buddhists, Hindus, Muslims, and Christians. Famous for the sacred footprint at its summit. Pilgrims climb at night to reach the peak by sunrise. View is breathtaking, misty valleys glowing with golden light. Yala National Park. Sri Lanka's most famous wildlife park. Known for having the highest leopard density in the world. Also home to elephants, crocodiles, and exotic birds. Safari rides offer unforgettable wildlife encounters. Gale Fort. A 16th-century Dutch fort town by the sea. Cobblestone streets, colonial buildings, boutique cafes. A living UNESCO heritage site. Perfect for sunset walks along the ramparts. Mirissa. A laid-back beach town. World famous for whale watching, blue whales and dolphins. Coconut Tree Hill, an Instagram hotspot with sweeping ocean views. Beautiful beaches for relaxation. Arugam Bay. Sri Lanka's surfing paradise. Waves that attract surfers from across the globe. Beyond surfing, lagoons, wildlife safaris, and cultural temples. Relaxed coastal vibe. Trincomalee. Stunning beaches like Nilaveli. Pigeon Island National Park. Snorkeling and diving heaven. Kanaswaram Temple is perched on a cliff overlooking the ocean. Rich in both natural beauty and culture. Hikkaduwa. Famous for coral reefs and snorkeling. Sea turtle hatcheries. Vibrant beach parties and surf culture. A blend of relaxation and fun. And there you have it. The 15 most beautiful and best tourist attractions in Sri Lanka. The true pearl of the Indian Ocean. From ancient kingdoms like Anuradhapura and Polonnaruwa, to stunning beaches in Mirissa and Hikkaduwa, from the sacred climbs of Adams Peak to the wild safaris in Yala, Sri Lanka is a land that never fails to amaze. If you're planning your next adventure, put Sri Lanka at the top of your list. This island may be small, but its wonders are endless. Which of these attractions would you love to visit first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel guides and inspirational journeys from around the world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next adventure.